how to remove power supply. Remove the cover. Second, you should have diagram of yours like that, all wiring, all where the wiring goes, so you don't forget. Or if you forget, you can go back here and you can review where the wiring goes. So right here, orange. Over here, see that orange, red. Go over here, red. This one right here, black, orange, black, orange, and one more right here, over here. So now you can start removing parts or wire, something like that. Just pull it hard, like over here. Pull this one too, snap out. Just go right here. Yeah, that's how you remove power supply wirings. Okay, thank you. Part 2, power supply installation.